In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem a code in Pokemon Go. So let's get started. First of all, go ahead and launch open a web browser on your mobile device since the redeem a code button is not available within the app. In the URL box, type in pokemongolive.com/redeem. You will then end up in this code redemption page where you need to tap on sign in to redeem. Now, select a sign in option for Pokemon Go. You can choose between Apple, Facebook, Google, Niantic Kids, or Pokemon Trainer Club option. Select one of the options, follow through the prompts, sign in with your credential, and once you do that, you will then get to enter the redemption code for your account. Go ahead and enter the code that you want to redeem or claim, and once the code is typed in, click on apply. Once the code is redeemed, the items or rewards should appear in your Pokemon Go inventory. So that's it for today's video. If you found it to be helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.